You got to stop buying into the story that old you is telling you. This is a new month. We're heading into a new year, right? That old you, that old messaging, it's got to go. It's got to go for you to make space for the new you who can learn to accomplish anything you want to learn to accomplish. I love the story. I was on I think it was an executive director call with Melissa Collins, which I had on the Team Pinnacle call last night. Amazing call if you missed it last night. Now, she came on board, hit platinum in 48 hours, right? And yes, she has an amazing contact base, but here's what she said. She said, it took me 10 years to learn how to do that. 10 years of focused effort. 10 years of focused effort. See, that's not living the same year 10 years in a row. That's not doing the same thing 10 years in a row. That's getting better every day for 10 straight years. See, there's a difference. There's a difference when you get up and you practice being new, being better every single day for 10 years. And she said, when she told her story, and that was on an executive director call, when she told that story, she said, I failed, and 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 I failed, until I started getting a little traction, and a little more 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 traction, got a little bit better, and a little bit better, and a little bit better, and a little bit better. And guys, by this time, she's 4 or 5 years into becoming the person that came into Legal Shield and hit platinum in 48 hours.